the Oracle stand at Mobile World Congress, and I'm with Eric McMurry, who's from TechElect, which is now Oracle. And Eric's going to take me through the most popular demo that's going on this stand, which is network function virtualization. Eric, look forward to this. It's all yours.
Thank you. All right. So what we're showing today is a multi-product, multi-infrastructure virtualization and orchestration solution for NFV. We're actually using vendors, two vendors' clouds, and including Oracle and a third party. We're using multiple Oracle products, both from TechElect and from the Oracle that was already there before the acquisition of TechElect and Acme. All under common orchestration, all the way from the application level up through the service level. So we're actually using combined orchestration for a policy product, diameter routing product, and an online charging product with this particular demonstration, with some in VMware Cloud, some in Oracle Cloud, under common orchestration, so that these are automated all together, so we can scale up these products, scale down these products, scale up and down components within the products, and actually dynamically manage the network in between them with a layer 7 SDN provided by our diameter routing product, all under common control. All I have to do is turn the traffic up and down. Everything else is completely automatic. So I can turn the traffic up and I can watch the policy product scale up. I can watch our diameter router product change the network to accommodate when we change load balancing and functional elements. I can turn it down and watch everything scale down when the resources are no longer needed. So basically, as a soup to nuts NFV solution, running, again, multi-vendor and multi-product on Oracle hardware, Oracle VM, and a suite of Oracle products from across our business. So what we're showing down here actually is one of the products. This is our policy solution, or PCRF. We have a topology in here that's dynamically updated as things scale up and down. It's showing some of the metrics that are used for orchestration decisions. This is actually the PCRF here. And we can see the VMs kind of come up and down as needed. So when we add VMs in here, we'll see new links come up. We'll see new VMs come up across products. And then they'll also go down when they're no longer needed. So it's basically very efficient utilization of the resources, very quick scaling up and down, and it lets you deploy services much more quickly than is possible with current technology. So this is the vision of NFV, and this is where Oracle is today and where we're heading in the future.
Okay, most of your clients are obviously operators using the solution.
Absolutely. This is primarily for mobile networks and fixed line broadband networks. And their networks use these things in the core, which is really what NFV is about, is virtualizing things in the core of the network. So it's leveraging some technologies that exist in the IT and enterprise spaces that are around cloud and virtualization, and applying those in the network space, along with the extra bits that are needed for all of our additional requirements, because we have a lot higher reliability requirements, resiliency. The network is different, and it's a more challenging problem by far. So we're helping solve that problem by doing prototypes and demonstrations and products like these that can be put into the core telco networks in a virtualized fashion with performance and high reliability.
And you're finding the operators are happy to move in this direction?
The operators are insisting that we move in this direction. We've been working with them for years on these technologies now, and they're very excited about this, both from a cost perspective. It reduces CapEx and OpEx as you get to scale. Obviously with the automation parts, there's a strong OpEx story here, but they're also very interested in service velocity. One thing you can do when you have products that are in this regime is you can deploy new services very quickly. You can try things out, you can have very personalized services, you can do small spins of things, spin them up, spin them down as you need, and deploy your resources very effectively without rolling any trucks. So significantly faster for the operators.
Okay, sounds good. How do we get there if I was an operator?
One key point to doing all of this is that you have very intelligent orchestration and management of all these components. And the reason you have to do this is because you have to handle not just virtualized functions, but physical functions as well, and differentiated resources, so that you can get from A to B. Because there won't be any cutover of a network. The networks are all existing, there is no greenfield. Operators are going to be taking pieces of their networks and moving them into this technology. So you have to be able to orchestrate across physical and virtual so that you can have the benefits of NFV with your existing assets and as you move into virtualization.
Okay, what about, the big question must be scale.
And that's another key point for intelligent orchestration. To do this at scale, the topologies and the complexity of the applications is enormous in a telco network. And, inside the core network, there are many things going on. The products are very complicated. You have to be able to calculate these topologies, to plan out services, to figure out relative priorities of services, and do this all in an automated fashion. So really the orchestration and automation bits are key to being able to do this for NFV and for hybrid physical and virtual networks.
Okay, well, thanks. It's a really good overview. Appreciate your time.
Thank you, sir.